if cot of theta is 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And the second part of this question is cot square theta. So this is nothing but cot theta the whole square. That's how you read this as, or that's how you evaluate this or work it out. Okay. So cot square theta, this is how you read it, but you solve it as cot theta the whole square. Right? Okay, anyways, the first thing you have to do is find all the sides. So it just goes back to your traditional first step, that is finding all the sides using Pythagoras theorem. So we have a triangle. So one of the angles happens to be theta. So name it ABC. So we have given cot of theta is 7 by 8. So adjacent of theta by opposite of angle theta. So adjacent of angle theta is 7k, opposite is 8k. This is not a Pythagorean triplet, so we can't do much over here. We have to do the lengthy version. Okay, let's move on. Adjacent is BC by AB being equal to 7 by 8. Right? I'm just showing the steps. We know that this is 7k, 8k, but yeah, therefore BC is equal to 7k and AB is equal to 8k, right? Where k is a common factor. So once this is out of the way, we just have to use Pythagoras theorem to calculate AC. In triangle ABC, as angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, because angle B is equal to 90 degree, we have AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Again, the amount of working it's left to the question, what the marks the question holds. If it's just 2 marker and all, you can skip a lot of steps actually. So for that you should talk to your teachers because they will be able to guide you then and there, right? 49k square. Because I'm showing the lengthiest version, need not write so much. Please remember that. So this will add up to 113k square, right? Therefore AC is equal to square root of 113 into k. This is square root of 113 into k. So we have all the three sides. Therefore the working for what is that, we have to find sine and cos and cot. That's the whole idea. So we'll start off with finding sine of theta. Sine of theta is opposite of angle theta by hypotenuse. So opposite is 8k divided by square root of 113. I'm skipping a step, right? Clearly, I'm not writing all that k and all that. I'm jumping. Next is cos of theta. So cos of theta is adjacent of angle theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 7k divided by hypotenuse is square root of 113k. So this is your answer. And this we need to substitute it over here, right? So we'll jump to the question. 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so we have, before substituting, we can do one thing over here. Please have a look. It's in the form of an identity which you guys are familiar with. A minus b into a plus b, which will lead to a square minus b square, right? So here you have a to be 1 and b to be sine theta. So in the numerator, we have 1 square minus sine square theta divided by 1 square minus cos square theta. Is it not? So this is nothing but 1 minus sine square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Substituting it over here, much easier than the other one. So 1 minus sine is what? Sine happens to be 8 square by 1 square root of 113 square divided by 1 minus 7 square divided by square root of 113 square. So we have this to be 1 minus 64 divided by 113 divided by 1 minus 49 divided by 113. So this is just a matter of calculating and stuff, taking LCM and subtracting. So this will be 49 by 113 and this will be 64 by 113. So this will turn out to be 49 by 113 into 113 divided by 64, right? We are converting multiplication to division to multiplication. So this and this will get cancelled and your answer is 49 by 64, right? Lengthy working, but yeah. And next is cot square theta. So cot square theta, for that we need to find cot theta first. Cot theta is equal to adjacent of angle theta by opposite of angle theta. So adjacent is what? Adjacent is 7, opposite is 8. 7k by 8k. Now cot square theta is nothing but cot theta the whole square. So 7 by 8 the whole square, right? This is 49 by 64. So we can see that the answers are same. I mean, I did such a lengthy version of this question and I got the same thing. So there is some connection between these two, right? And that connection you will learn with the help of something called as trigonometric identity. We use algebraic identity also, and along with that we use trigonometric identity to get to this same result. Okay, so that is an part of your syllabus as well. So I just want you guys to be aware that it is possible, okay, to avoid so much of working, because we already know 7 by 8. I need not find the hypotenuse itself. So all this will go away, and only this many steps. After this, few more steps, and you'll get same result, and you'll get 49 by 64. Quite simple. Okay. So pause and have a look. The one thing is this was already given. I didn't realize that this is already given. I could have just squared it and got the answer. But anyways, it's just a revision. But yes, you could have done it directly. You could have skipped all this step altogether because this was given. Okay.